Hi, my name's Odalis Ortiz Grimaldi.
And my name is Giovanni Alejandro Flores Giron, and we are going to talk about some translation techniques.
The following presentation is about techniques that you need to know when you are translating documents. Our objectives are general, learning and managing translation techniques. Specific, investigates the topic, example, for a better understanding, have a new vocabulary, practice the language when we are speaking and writing the translation techniques. The first topic is about linguistic amplification. Is when we use more than one word to translate a text without modifying the original text. It's useful to explain better the phrases from our original text to our language. Provide example of linguistic amplification is in translation from English to Spanish. We create three examples. The first example is ink contains nitrate. Do not drink or place in your mouth. Esto quiere decir la tinta contiene nitratos. No beba ni la meta en la boca. Example number 2. I have traveled many places. Still I possess an empty soul. My broken wings are dipped in vinegar and oil, never to be replenished. Esto quiere decir, viajé a muchos lugares, pero aún tenía el alma vacía. Mis alas rotas son mojadas con aceite y vinagre, nunca serán repuestas. Example number 3. I need time capsules to remember it. Mine were destroyed. Necesito cápsulas de tiempo para recordar. Yo fui destruido. What is calc in English? A calc is a translation literally of words that is words by words. For example, picture dictionary. La forma incorrecta sería diccionario de pinturas, pero la forma correcta sería diccionario de dibujos o imágenes.
The next technique is linguistic compression. It is used to take away or synthesize linguistic elements. This is often used in simultaneous interpreting and in subtitling. For example, to translate the English question, yes, so what, with I, in Spanish, instead of using a phrase with the same number of words. Sí y qué. It is in opposition to linguistic amplification. Some examples of this is I want to be, that in Spanish is quiero ser. Other examples are I think, in Spanish is creo, and I have to, in Spanish is tengo que. A comparison. This is a chart that explains the similarities and difference between the three techniques, and some similarities are they are using in translates, they don't change or create a new word, and they make the translation more easy to do. And some differences are amplification and compression are different when you change the meaning of the word. Calc, it's a borrowing, and they are used in different situations.
That's all.
And the conclusion, this is a good way to learn more about the three techniques that are very useful when you're translating a text.
That's all for now. We are going to say bye.
Bye.